Need help uncovering the full web of relationships between your Jira issues? The linkedIssuesOfRecursive function maps out relationships between issues that are directly or indirectly connected to your tasks. So how does it work? LinkedIssuesOfRecursive uses a subquery to define which issue you wish to centralize your exploration around. We'll call it your main issue. And a link name, which explains the relationship between your main issue and the issues you're searching for. Let's say you have a task in your project that's being blocked by another task in a different project. To prevent any further delays to your work, you want to quickly identify any other dependencies that might be indirectly blocking your main task. Click the plus symbol to build your query using the Insert function dialog box. Select the LinkedIssuesOfRecursive function on the left. Add the issue key for your main task as your subquery, and select Blocked By as a link name. Click Add to Query, search, and you now have a list of issues that are directly or indirectly blocking your main task. You can also remove the link name to return all issues recursively linked to your main task, regardless of their relationship. And thanks to built-in protection mechanisms that track processed links, you don't have to worry about getting lost in circular dependencies. This function is essential for mapping complex dependency chains, helping you spot potential roadblocks in your project, and revealing the full scope of interdependencies. Explore the depths of your projects with LinkedIssuesOfRecursive from Enhanced Search.